Hello and welcome to the Virtual Slate MyLearning block plugin overview video. Let's begin by talking about what the Virtual Slate MyLearning block does. The MyLearning block displays a list of all the courses that the user is currently enrolled in a visual card view format. This block is the optimal tool to include in your users' dashboards to allow them to have a more visual understanding of which courses they have completed, which ones are in progress, and which ones they have yet to start. The block allows administrators to include course images and course summaries, allowing for a more descriptive yet friendly-looking learning management system. Now that you're familiar with what the block does, let's go ahead and add it to the default dashboard from the perspective of the site administrator. By navigating to the admin dashboard and scrolling down to the theme design section, you can select the default dashboard option. On this page, by turning editing mode on, you can add the MyLearning block to the dashboard page if it doesn't already exist. Once you're satisfied with your dashboard configuration, be sure to reset the dashboard page for these changes to take effect on your students' dashboards. If the block is not available for you to select from the list of blocks, please first ensure that the block is enabled. This can be done by navigating to the Site Administration menu within the Plugins tab and navigating down to the Blocks section. By selecting the Manage Blocks link, you can ensure that the Virtual Slate MyLearning block is enabled within the list of blocks. Furthermore, the settings associated with this block can also be accessed from this page. There are two settings associated with the MyLearning block plugin. The first option, Enable Course Summary, allows administrators to define whether the course summary section of courses will be displayed within their course cards. If enabled, and if a course summary is provided for that specific course, then it will be displayed within the course card within the MyLearning block and its associating page. Otherwise, if this setting is unchecked, as in disabled, then these course summary sections will not be displayed within the course cards. Furthermore, administrators have the ability to enable custom sorting methods to be applied to the courses displayed in the user's MyLearning block. Begin by enabling this setting. You'll notice the addition of a new setting called Custom Sorting Options. This allows you to determine how the courses will be displayed in the user's MyLearning block. You can choose to display courses sorted based on their course creation date, ranging from oldest to newest, or newest to oldest. You can also sort these courses based on their course full name, sorted alphabetically from A to Z or Z to A. You also have the ability to sort courses based on their default category listing. If this is selected, then the course will be displayed based on their category and sorting applied on the Manage Courses and Categories page. For example, if a user is enrolled in multiple courses from within multiple categories, then the courses will appear based on their sorting. In this example, the course from Category A are displayed first. Then the courses of Category B are displayed. Afterwards, the courses of the subcategory B2 are displayed. Changing the order sorting of these courses and categories will also be reflected in the block immediately with this sorting method selected. Now that you're familiar with the settings available to configure the block, let's switch over to the perspective of a student to see how they would interact with the block. Once the user logs in, they will see the MyLearning block that we've added to their dashboard page. The block will contain a list of all the courses that the user has an active enrollment in, irrespective of their enrollment method. By clicking the View Course button, you can navigate to the specific course's main page. This block will also indicate the user's course completion status in the top left of the course card. This will be reflected as either completed for courses that the user has completed by abiding by the course completion criteria specified for that course, or courses can be marked as in progress for courses that the user has currently made progress towards the course completion criteria. And finally, the last status displayed is the not started status. This is displayed for courses in which the user has not made any progress towards the course completion criteria, or for courses that do not have any completion criteria defined. Please ensure that you have defined and set up the course completion criteria for your courses for them to register completion for users in the MyLearning block. The block will display a maximum of 4 enrolled courses on the dashboard page. But not to worry, if the user is enrolled in more than 4 courses, they can access their additional enrolled courses via the Show More link available in the top right of the block. This page will display all the courses in which the user has an active enrollment in. The user can navigate through the list of courses, as there are 8 courses per page. Furthermore, they have the ability to sort their enrolled courses based on recently added or course full name sorted from A to Z or Z to A. The category drop-down selector will display a list of all the categories that contain the user's enrolled courses. Clicking a category will show all the user's enrolled courses within that category. Students also have the ability to filter courses based on their completion status. This allows for students to have a quick understanding of which courses are pending, which ones they have completed, and which ones they have yet to start. Finally, the Keywords Search filter allows users to search for courses based on their course full name, displayed within the course card, allowing students to quickly search for courses based on their full names. Thank you for watching the Virtual Slate MyLearning block plugin overview video. We hope that you now have a more comfortable understanding of how the plugin operates.